Okay, this is part 2 of the video of Springburn Park. I'm down at the other end of the duck pond just now. As you can see, remember the video that I uploaded from last year? Spot the difference. What has been a noticeable problem when there's a bit of rain, because how thick all this overgrowth is, it's causing it to flood out onto the paths. And if there's heavy enough rain, it can basically flood all the way over to near that fence there on the road. If there's enough rain, of course. So as you can see, this is pretty bad. So there's where the pond's supposed to start, here. And then look at all that overgrowth. And it just continues on and on. I mean, it's so high that you can't even see. I mean, you'll get the idea of it here. It's so high you can't even see down the other side of the pond. Excuse me. Great, massive puddle again. I also made them aware about these signs in the park that have been damaged and vandalised. This one here, thankfully not vandalised, but in need of replacement because it's fading quite badly now. It's also rusting around the edges. Okay. And this is the top part of the pond's supposed to start curving round further down. A small path there, and then the bit before. Again from last year, absolutely no difference. It's in fact got even more overgrown. So it's difficult to make out where the pond actually starts in there, isn't it? Because it's such a mess. I believe, I'm just going to see if I can actually see something a bit. Down there, I'll zoom in, you'll see it's ever so slightly that there is some pond water down there. There, that's where it's supposed to start. And then you'll see just the rest of it. Shocking. It goes all the way down to the bottom part of the pond as well, down there. So there we go. So that was part 2. And originally part 2 was going to be further down, but I just wanted to show this other part of the pond here walking round. So I'm just going to walk round to, or walk down to the next bit, the Stop Hill entrance. And that'll be part 3 starting. So this is the end of part 2, part 3 coming up.